I have a rule out here on this property. It applies to this property specifically. This back field area, same field I got stuck in back in 2021 with the zero turn X-Mark radius I had at the time, the sit down machine. That machine and the Chevy truck as well got stuck out here. This area pools up water really badly when it rains a lot. Any more than like a quarter of an inch of rain, and all of this is just soggy, soaking wet water, all the way to about where that telephone pole is. This is all really wet. Up in this area, it's still kind of wet, but not as bad. There's enough traction to stay on, so you don't get stuck. Now, using the stander, there's a less chance of getting stuck, but still, my rule is when this property is this wet like this section here, this section gets push mowed. You could call it a standing rule because there's standing water. But in all seriousness, I do not want to have a situation where I get stuck out here again. So these areas that hold water like this, they're getting push mowed to avoid getting stuck, and also to avoid, in the case of the front lot over here on the property, really large ruts and mud tracks driven around through the rest of the property. So that's where we're at, just push mowing these little areas before I can get on the big mower and get the majority of the property done that way. So I know it takes longer, it's a little more work, but my opinion is better than the alternative. So that's the way I do it.